Happy noon to one and all gathered here. I am immensely pleasure in cordially welcoming you all to this extramural lecture series. Myself Brindha from 2nd M.Sc SS, and my topic is how to spend time effectively in lockdown. And I am also happy in welcoming all my dear faculties and friends for this session. And I hope that this session will be interesting and useful for you. Remember that life's greater lessons are usually learned at the worst time and from the worst. Like most students are stuck at home due to COVID situation, we the students are spending a lot of hour at home finding excess of time in the hands. It is quite difficult to regulate the timing without any study and preparation. Sometimes students are getting depressed while stuck at home. Most of us will be spending our lockdown days like attending online classes or playing online games or spending time in social media. We also feel bored and stressed in the lockdown days, and we do not know how to manage our time even though we have a lot of time. We fail to manage it. Time isn't the main thing, it's the only thing. The two most powerful warriors are patience and time. Time is the most valuable thing in life. It has no beginning and no end. It can neither be created nor be destroyed. No matter what we choose to do, it is important that we manage our time and make the most of it. Especially in the lockdown days, time management is very important. It is the process of planning and exercising conscious control over the amount of time allocated to various activity in one's life. Time management skill can be acquired through training and practice. Time does not wait for anyone, whether you like it or not. The fact is, time will never stop. It will keep going on. So, we have to use it wisely. If you take care of time, time will definitely save you. So, here are some few tips to use the time effectively in a lockdown day. The first thing is that you must find your interest. Instead of wasting our time, we can do many things which will help to gain more knowledge and we can learn many new things. Most of the people don't know what to do in their life. If you are feeling unmotivated, unsure of yourself, aimless, then you should discover your interest in life, like it may be editing, dancing, or designing. The second thing is that to innovate your skill and talent. The innovation of talent requires lot of time, effort, and dedication. Well, it is quite difficult to find it on a regular days. Therefore, this is the best timing where you can innovate your talent and skill. And the next thing is to read a book. Reading books always gives you the power of knowledge. You can easily spend your time with it. The next thing is to organize your lifestyle. Due to the busy schedule, we also forget to organize our life cycle. Therefore, it is the best timing where the students can organize their life, career, and travel. Get inspired. We can get inspired by watching new videos of different motivational speech, different art and craft ideas. It is also one of the best way to spend time at home for students during a lockdown. And the last thing is online internship. When you're stuck at home, this is the best time when you can apply for an online internship related to your courses. You can also do some additional courses to upgrade your talent in future. So, technology is something which brings together the tools to promote development, use, and information exchange, and has a main objective of making tasks easier and solving of many problems of mankind. Especially in the lockdown days, the development of new technology helps to save lives. It improves work and makes the world better. The overuse of technology may have a more significant impact on developing children and teenagers. Technology has both positive and negative things, but we use it in a positive way and improve our knowledge. So, if you are really interested in learning a particular technology in this lockdown days, here are some few tips. So, the first thing is allocate adequate time for research and exploration. You need to spend enough time to research and explore the particular technology that you're going to learn, and you must know its pros and cons, and most importantly, what benefits you'll gain by learning the particular technology. This is the first thing you must follow. The second thing is that find the right resource for learning process. Some of the most preferable method to learn any technologies are online courses, recommended books and YouTube videos and seminars. The third thing is don't hesitate to ask help. When you start learning a new technology or skill, you come up with many hurdles. What most of the students do is they hesitate to ask for help from others, and later it results in lot of confusion and doubt about the technology. So it is quite necessary for all the problems and queries and to ask help from others. Do practice the things you learned. You need to follow the principle that learn by doing, as without doing the practical implementation of all your theoretical learning and knowledge, you can expect to excel in the particular technology. And fifth step is put your knowledge to the test. And yes, practical exposure is not alone sufficient to validate whether you're going on the right track. You need to put your knowledge to the test to assess yourself, though there can be many ways through which you can test your knowledge based on their respective technology or skill. And the last thing is share your learning with others. When you share your learning with others as much as you can, it boosts your skill in a greater way. This is because when you try to explain a topic to others, you first need to have an idea and depth understanding and a clear picture makes you proficient with the particular topic. Moreover, there is a saying that if you waste time, time will waste you. Only this line is enough to justify how important and valuable time is. So use it wisely and spend your time effectively in your lockdown. So thank you so much for patiently listening to me, and I also thank for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my thoughts. Thank you.